So you might be in a situation where for some reason your WhatsApp transfer is just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, what this basically means is that for your particular device, you may have you're trying to transfer your WhatsApp information, but for some reason it's not transferring. Now, the number one reason something like this may end up happening is usually because for your particular device, like for your particular, device that you're trying to transfer to, you want to make sure, one, that they're both compatible on the latest version of WhatsApp. So go through, if you can, and update your WhatsApp application. A lot of the times that might be all you're going to have to do. So update the WhatsApp app on both the devices, and you want to see if that will end up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, that might end up doing it in your particular case. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing you may want to try doing is going back into WhatsApp, go back inside of your settings portion right here, and you want to go to the portion where it allows you to go and create that backup in the first place. I think it was storage and data. And when you're here, if you're able to go and create an actual backup, actually it's in chats. So if you click on chats right here, and if you go and click on, chat backup or export chat, I'd recommend going through here, backing up your chats this way, and then going through and trying to, transfer back that way again. Again, for a lot of people, all you're going to have to do is just make a new backup, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. Like I mentioned, it's not a perfect way of doing it, but that's another way. If that's still not working, you can try also going through and restarting your phones. So go through, restart the device, go through, just restart it, go and, turn it back on. And once again, you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. If that doesn't work, you may want to make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled right. You want to make sure your cell signal's on or whatever. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.